Guys, so today we're gonna go kill a clown hunter around here. So, yes, there's actually, less stuff here. See if we can go catch like a killer clown or something. Hey! Is there any killer clowns there? Oh, jeez. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had to set up my recording because it keeps going off. So anyways, guys, how was your day, guys? Woo! Woo! Guys, I was just playing Pokemon Girl earlier, so I guess that's okay, right? Okay, this is just my shoes. Hello? Probably go clown hunting on October 30th. It's gonna be very scary, right? Whoa! Oh my god! I'm just running to go see if it's a footage. Just trying to find one. Is there anything over there? Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god. Hello? I put my camera in zoom mode so you guys can catch any killer clowns. Okay, so just gonna try to go find them. Besides, I have school tomorrow. The frick? Hey! What is that? Oh crap. I'm flipping running. What is that? I think it's gone. It's gone. What's that? Oh god. Guys, I'm back again. Just keep needing to set up my footage, cause who's in there? I find a freaking killer clown, or like gonna freaking run, dude. Flip and run back into my house. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This is so scary, guys. Oh my god. Guys, we're actually going killer clown hunting. Just got a little wisey. It's me! Actually, it says K. Does that mean I'm like getting a lot of subscribers or something? Hello? 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 Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I need to turn the camera around. The frick? It's a frick. It's heard something. I got my camera up. It's just a picture right there. Anyway, so how is your day doing, guys? If your day is going good, please leave a like and subscribe. And I will go clown hunting again for you guys.